Hi boys and girls, I'm Mrs. McGinty, and today I'm going to read to you a book by Mo Willems called Sam, the Most Scaredy-Cat Kid in the Whole World. Sam was the most scaredy-cat kid in the whole world. He was scared of anything and everything. Even a raindrop. Plink. Ah! Eek! Scurry, 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 says a little spider. Oh dear, when he reads bad news in the paper. Even when the dog flaps its tail, whap, whap, whap. Nah, nah. Roar, 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 roar. Except his friend Leonardo, the terrible monster. Hi, Leo. Leonardo looks a little sad that he's not scaring his friend. One day, Sam made a particularly scary discovery. He's biting his fingers. Frank and Thaler and Carrie. Ah! Yelled Sam. Eek! Yelled Carrie. Don't worry, said Leonardo to Sam. That's just Frankenthaler. She's nice. Don't worry, said Frankenthaler to Carrie. That's just Leonardo. He's nice. I'm not scared of that monster, replied Sam. He's hiding behind Leonardo, though, so he looks like he might be scared. I'm scared of that kid, said Carrie. The kids are scared of each other. That's silly. Eek! Yelled Sam. Ah! Yelled Carrie. Something had to be done. So the monsters made a big decision. They left. Eek? Figure it out, said the monsters. Sam had no idea what he should do. Carrie had no idea what she should do. So, they had that in common. Turns out, they had a lot in common. Both of them were scared of an itty-bitty spider. Eek! They were scared on a roller coaster. Ah! They even thought it was gross when they went to a movie that says, action, drama, kissing. Kissing, ooh, yuck. They both liked ice cream cones. And then they both got brain freeze. But not everything. Ah! Yay! One likes the rain and the other one doesn't. Tuna fish salad? Ew. Achoo! He's allergic to cats. Guess he doesn't like his music. And yikes, that's too loud. It was confusing for both scaredy cats. So, Sam made a big decision. And so did Carrie. When Leonardo and Frankenthaler returned, the two scaredy cats were gone. Huh? Where did they go? Tee-hee-hee. Shh. Surprise! They had been replaced by two new friends. Of course, Leonardo and Frankenthaler were surprised. Ha, he, ha, ha, he, ha. They were also delighted. Roar! Roary roar! Whee!